Welcome. Let's begin today's meditation in a comfortable position, arms and legs uncrossed. Allow your arms to rest gently by your side, and when you are ready, close your eyes. I want you to bring a full attention to this very moment, settling in, and allow your mind and body to be still. Now invite that breath deeply in through the nose and feel your upper body fill and rise. Then gently release the air through your mouth, feeling that filled space slowly deflating. Find where you feel most relaxed and let that relaxation grow and slowly spread to the entirety of your body. Let it surround you and imagine yourself standing in a place that makes you feel safe and comfortable. This is a safe space just for you, where you feel at home to explore and be curious without fear of judgment. Welcome the environment and the sounds around you, the air on your skin, the sensation of where your body touches the ground. Notice the energy of the environment rising to support your physical body, and take 3 long, deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathe in and out. And each time you take a breath, you feel your body becoming more and more relaxed. Let your breathing return to normal and turn your attention to the air as it enters your body and the sensation of the body as you inhale in and out. Feel that balance. Feel the cycle of the breath as it moves in and out. Your body is relaxing as you focus on the breath. Your mind is relaxing as you focus on your breath moving in and out. You are gently breathing, no force, no control, just observing the breath as it enters and exits the body. You are fully present. You are experiencing yourself in the now moment, peaceful, completely safe, and open to any inner guidance that may come through. As your mind explores and the body begins to unwind, take notice of any emotional tension present that you are currently holding on to that's begging to be released. Consider for a moment what area of the body is currently housing this tension, and understand that it comes from an emotion that you have chosen not to acknowledge or allowed yourself to fully experience. This emotional tension will not simply disappear if overlooked, can manifest further into unpleasant bodily symptoms. These unaddressed thoughts and emotions are currently nestled in your muscles and tissues, but once we are relaxed enough, they can no longer hold in that emotional tension. As you continue to breathe, locate and acknowledge the emotional tension burrowed within, and imagine that spot as a bird nest, and the emotion that resides there as a baby bird deep within the safety of this nest. Allow yourself to become curious about this bird. What is its shape or size? Observe the feathers. What colors and patterns do you see? Are they fully formed or still developing? Is the bird fluttering about or perched quietly sleeping? Breathe deeply and take a few moments to welcome the shape and form your emotion takes as this vulnerable baby bird. Once you have welcomed this image into your mind, I want you to gently move the baby bird out of its current nest, throughout your body, and into the space between your navel and the top of your rib cage. In front of you, hold your hands together, palms up, and invite this baby bird to perch itself securely in your hands. Let your hands be the same safe space for the bird as the space you imagined for yourself. When the bird is nestled, ready to rest in your hands, become curious and ask it, where did you come from? Breathe deeply and listen. It is important to remain open to your inner voice in this moment without judgment or correction. Pay attention to the first thought that settles in and continue to be welcoming and curious of the information flowing to you. Again, ask it, why are you here? Breathe deeply and listen. Ask it, what do you want? Breathe deeply and listen. Ask it, what do you need? Breathe deeply and listen. Ask it, what action are you asking me to take in my life? Breathe deeply and listen. Now that we have observed and listened, taking note of what this emotion is telling us, take a few deep breaths and reflect on what you're experiencing in your body and mind. When you're ready, look upon the baby bird once more. Do you notice anything different about the way it feels, moves, or looks? What would you like to do with it? Do you want to pull it back inside its nest within to observe and nurture a little longer? Or allow it to fly away, being mindful that we aren't tying a string to its foot to pull it back at a later time? When you are ready, I want you to decide and imagine that bird taking flight or being pulled back in through the space from which it came and returning to its nest. No matter how you decide, know that it is there to observe and it's yours to take care of. Now I want you to once again take a nice deep breath in, noticing how the air feels and fills the space, and release the breath slowly and recognize the energy within you and around you. Continue to breathe deeply, and when you are ready, open your eyes and return to a state of wakefulness, making sure to thank yourself for setting aside time to meditate.